In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine videos in Clipchamp. If you've got multiple video clips that you want to seamlessly merge into a single project, Clipchamp is a fantastic tool to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into the process, step by step, to make your video creation experience smooth and enjoyable. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Clipchamp. It's an online video editor, so there's no need to download any software. Just type Clipchamp in the search bar and click on its official website. Once you're there, you'll want to log in. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to sign up using your email or social media credentials. Having an account allows you to save your projects and access them anytime, from anywhere. With Clipchamp open and logged in, you're ready to start creating. Look for the option to create a new project. This sets up your workspace where all the magic will happen. You will be taken to a new window, your video editing hub. Let's get those clips combined. Now find the Import Media button located in the Your Media tab on the toolbar. Clipchamp makes it simple to bring in your own video files from your computer or OneDrive. If you need additional footage, explore the Content Library tab for a range of stock footage options. A great resource for those little additional shots that can elevate your video's quality. Once you've gathered all the media you need, it's time to drag and drop your video clips from the Your Media panel onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is your project's backbone, where you'll organize and sequence the videos exactly how you want them to appear in the final product. Simply place them side by side to form one continuous video scene. To change the order of your clips, just drag and drop them into a new position on the timeline. This feature is really handy if you're improvising with the flow of your video. And if you need to trim the length of a clip, click on the clip and you'll see trimming handles appear on either end. Drag these handles to adjust the clip's start and end points, trimming out any unnecessary footage. Once your clips are arranged and edited to your satisfaction, you're ready to finalize your project. Click the Export button, which is prominently located in the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can choose a video resolution for your final export, whether you're planning to share it online or save it for personal use. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can combine multiple video clips into a single, cohesive video using Clipchamp. As you familiarize yourself with the interface, you'll find that creating engaging video content becomes both a fun and rewarding experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your video editing journey.